Hello, my dear parents. Today I am going to show you an educational activity puzzle which is very useful for your kids. This is Imagimake Mapology India Map Puzzle with capital. This I order from Imagimake Instagram page. This is very useful for kids above 5 years old, and it is a good option for birthday presentation also. This is the back side of puzzle box. When I received from this Imagimake, it is nicely packed. It consists of one form sheet, 24 puzzle pieces, 35 flags and capital stickers. The price of the puzzle sheet is 449 rupees, and the size of this puzzle is 32 centimeter width and 37 centimeter height. It is a nice indoor activity, and it improves the kids concentration and also helps in their cognitive and psychomotor development. Let's open this box. This I already opened and used. Now I will open this box once again. The bottom of the box is transparent so that we can see the puzzle from outside. Let me pull this outside. See, it is very beautiful. We got a sheet of stickers, state capitals and union territory capitals. Also we got plastic flags. This they provide in another plastic sheet. Now I am keeping this in a container, otherwise my kid will lose it. We have to stick the stickers over the flags carefully. They provided the union territory capitals and state capitals in different color. The union territory capitals in grey and state capitals in blue color. And they provide some extra flags also. With it, they provide one sheet, cardboard sheet, that is answer key. They provided all the states and capital, and some extra points also they have given, like Punjab and Haryana having only one capital, like that some points they have given. Also we can use this as a base to do this puzzle. Let me start this puzzle. First I start with Kerala, then Tamil Nadu, and then Karnataka. In this puzzle they have given this Maharashtra and Goa together, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura together, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram together. Also Delhi is with Uttar Pradesh. In this introduce this as a game to your kids. Set a stopwatch and do this puzzle. Those who finish the puzzle in less time will win the game. This way you can make your child's learning more fun and interesting. In this puzzle they printed the neighboring countries in dots. They showed Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Bhutan also. Now let's fix these flags. In each puzzle they provided some points to fix these flags. In some puzzles they have provided 2 points, that is to fix the union territory also. If your kids play with this puzzle, they will never forget the India map in their life. It is also easy for them to memorize the capitals. This puzzle is very much worth of money. You can also choose this as a birthday presentation for your relatives or friends' kids. I would like to share more educational toy reviews in my channel. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button for getting notification. Thank you.